Nice curved windows.
It eliminates that area for the TV. But
Yes.
I got a solution.
So here we are at the Parks at Wilson Creek in Celina, Texas. And right behind me is the new Perry model here.
Now this bad boy is 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 1 half bath, and just over 3,700 square feet. Let's say just less than 3,800 square feet.
Mm-hmm.
It's got the game room and the media room. So this thing has it all. We get clients calling every single day asking us about, hey, what about the 5 bedroom ones, right? So this is gonna be room and space for your whole entire family. So without further ado, let's get on it.
Take a look. All right, so as we walk in, check out this grand foyer. Isn't that gorgeous with the round ceiling up there? All right, and then we're gonna take a right and we're gonna go check out this first bedroom. Look at how big this room is.
Good sized room right up the front of the house
Fantastic room.
with its own ensuite.
I'm gonna go show a different level there, or a different angle is what I meant, not level. And then we're gonna go take a look at this great ensuite. It's got a little hall with a closet. It's got its own linen closet, and then a very nice sized shower.
Yeah.
You wanna open
Step
that
down.
up?
Step down into it.
There's a step down, beautiful. Beautiful.
Yep. As we exit this secondary bedroom downstairs, right across the hallway, you've got the office. I like these big French doors that they're doing.
Yes, let me show those. Look at these. Look at that. Single pane, just one big, nice piece of glass. It's gorgeous. Lots of natural lighting.
Lots of light pouring in, which is nice.
It's fans.
Ceiling seemed a bit low,
They are lower than normal, yeah.
but it's nice and comfy.
Nice and comfy. Let's go. Look at this. This whole area feels so nice. I love it. Love it, love it. Can't really put a Christmas tree right there because it
Not
does
enough
be
for a Christmas tree.
taking up too much space.
But I do love this curved staircase. So we got a good sized closet, put all your junk.
Okay.
One big giant junk drawer.
One big giant junk drawer. And then check this room out. This is a nice cozy feeling room. It's got that huge fireplace with the tile on it, which is beautiful. And then you've got your dining and your kitchen. So it's just a big, huge open space.
My favorite part of this whole downstairs are these big picture windows. Lets in all that natural light overlooking my favorite part of any house, which
That's
is
true. The backyard?
the patio, right? But yeah, it just opens up all this natural light, which is really cool. This kitchen,
Kitchen.
I mean, it's a 5-bed island.
5-bed island.
5-bed island, not gonna go wrong with that.
Double ovens, which I love, of course. This is a very workable kitchen.
Very workable. What I do like, it's granite. That is coming back.
It's coming
Coming
back.
back big time.
Yeah.
It's not that, level 1 granite that's coming back. It's this nice
Fancy, yes.
granite that's coming back. But that's really nice to see. And then, should we go see the primary?
We can go see the primary. I was just testing out the level of this because they like to put the microwaves really high, which is hard for us short people. This one's okay. This one will do.
Can you hit the popcorn button? That's
Fun fact, I'm not a fan of popcorn. I know that's not really an American thing.
they like the linen closet.
They do like their linen closets. Look at that thing. He's not showing a linen closet. Look at that. All right, now let's go into the primary. Look at that.
1, 2, 3, 4 windows pouring in all that natural light. And I love how it's that curved kind of gives it that decorative touch.
Yeah, and gives you space for those chairs and everything. Yeah.
Little
Nice.
sitting area.
Very
you got
nice.
a big king size bed.
The other thing that's very popular right now, wallpaper. all kinds of different, they have some great wallpapers out there. So just a little decorator tip right there.
Shiplap is dead.
Shiplap is gone.
All right, so
Look
come
at
on in.
this.
You gotta step down. They're doing some work on it. So like I said, this model just opened up. They're doing some work, I don't know, regrouting and stuff like that, but that gives you an idea. It's a really big shower. Then you got his and her closets, or his and his, hers and hers, however you roll.
Yeah. Absolutely. With double sinks and the beautiful tub. I like big bathrooms like this where you can actually put a little bit of a rug. It just kind of makes it feel like a nice little spa.
Yeah, you're not crammed in, right?
No.
You've got all this space to kind of move around and get things done in the morning.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Right.
Now should we go see your favorite part?
Absolutely.
All right, look at these ceilings. Nice big patio, and now I'm gonna let Andy take it away.
So Patrice and I had it like, she loved the curve, right, in from the primary looking
Let me
onto
show that.
the backyard and the patio.
So look at this nice curved windows. So it puts a really nice feel to the patio, but what does it do, Andy?
It eliminates that area for the TV, right? So if you notice, there isn't any space for that. But
Yeah.
I got a solution.
Okay.
Got a solution. You could do outdoor kitchen right here and wall this in, so it gives you some privacy as well as a screen. Or put, better yet, it's so cold right now, put a fireplace right there and then do a, well, you got a fire pit out here, but
Yeah.
you could do an outdoor kitchen out here. But look at these lots.
And look at the size of these. Look at that. So nice. And as you can tell, there's a lot of construction going on.
60-foot size lot, you could do anything. You put your pool in, you know, you've got your fire pit, you can do all your playground stuff for the little kids. Anything you want, it's up to your imagination, you can do on a 60-foot lot within reason, right? You're definitely not on acreage.
That's
But
true. I have a lot of clients that like to put raised beds and all kinds of neat stuff out here. So, and there's plenty of room to do any of that.
Absolutely. Now, shall we go upstairs?
Let's do it. Let's go on upstairs. All right, now we're up the stairs and we're gonna go head over to the left, which is one of the bedrooms. Check out the size of this room. This one's nice and big.
Has its own bath.
Has its own bath. Let's show the bath. That's pretty cool.
Closet's pretty small though, huh?
There's the bath. Let me show the closet. Yeah, it's fairly small. Yeah, you're right. But, you know, if you got a kid with not a whole lot of clothes, you're okay.
Yeah.
So let's see. Look at this room. Good size room. Fit plenty in here. It's kind of neat. All these rooms have like nice shapes to them, and the halls are good, nice and wide. All right, so here's the game room.
Game room with the attached media, which is an option.
Let's go into the attached media. It's got the coffered ceiling in there.
Good size. I like the couch idea.
Yes, couch is nice. We've had the theater chairs, and I would prefer a couch for sure.
Yeah.
Just nicer, cozier. Join.
But I do like how it's attached, or, you know, not attached necessarily, but, oh man, these are all solid wood doors. That's a good idea, especially with the media room for soundproofing a little bit.
That is a great idea. All right, so we're gonna go across where we're gonna find another couple bedrooms. So here's this one.
This has got a small closet.
Decent size. Let's go check out the closet. Because I do like a good sized closet. Most people do. That is a very small closet. Well, let's go check out the other one. Maybe it has a bigger closet. Here is the
bath and the share.
Yep, they share that. They've got the 2 sinks though, which is nice. All right, let's go.
It's a little bigger.
Closets. A little bigger?
A little bigger.
This room is a little bigger too. So yeah, that's better. Better, because some storage down below. You can put some drawers and bins and things under there. But look at this room's a good size.
Yeah, all these rooms are good size. Closets are a little bit smaller. These are all on 60-foot wide lots. They do have a 40-foot lot, Perry does, in the parks at Wilson Creek. But definitely give us a call, text, email, whatever it is that you need to do to get a hold of us. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.